Hi there, Troy. Why are you in such a hurry? He can't hear us because of the music. Let's try again. Troy!
Oh.
That's better.
Oh.
Why the rush?
Oh. Oh.
So you're bringing medicines to Amber at the hospital?
Oh.
That's great.
Oh.
We shall not disturb then.
Oh.
Oh no! The track is broken. If Troy drives here, he will derail. We must warn him. Troy, watch out! Oh, not again. Troy,
Oh.
stop!
Oh.
Finally, the track is broken further ahead. Good thing you came to a halt.
Oh.
Look, there's Steve. Hey, Steve, can you please call for the car patrol? We must catch whoever it was that did this. Guys, we have a huge problem. Somebody has broken the railroad tracks outside Car City. It's really dangerous to all the trains. You're right, Matt. We have to catch the vehicle responsible for this. Let's go. Good idea, Matt. Troy will stay here and close off the tracks so no one has an accident. Good thinking, Matt. Let's see if the vehicle left any clues. Orange paint. Can you find anything more, Matt? What's that? Giant tire marks? This is getting stranger and stranger. Hector, can you fly and look for a vehicle that is orange and has big wheels? Do you see anything, Hector? Marley? So you think Marley did it? Well, if you say so, Hector. Can you call Frank and ask him to drive towards the stadium? Maybe we can stop him there. It's your turn to rise to the occasion, Frank. Turn on your siren and rush to the stadium. Maybe we can manage to stop Marley there. Come on, Frank, you can do it. Well done, Frank. You beat Marley here. Look, there he is. Let's stop him. So, are you the one who destroyed the railroad tracks? You were out practicing for the big show tonight, and you must have touched the railroad track accidentally? That's a good idea. Frank, you are strong, and Marley is strong. Together, you can pull the track into its right position again. Great. Let's go to the railroad then. But Marley, please don't practice around the railroad tracks again. It can be very dangerous, both for you and the trains. Great. Then let's go and fix that railroad. Thank you, Car Patrol, for helping us today. And thanks for keeping guard at the tracks, Troy.
Da-da.
Great teamwork, everybody. See you next time. The Car Patrol. Wow, look at Jerry taking those corners around the lake. He must be practicing for tomorrow's big race. Hey, Jerry. It's getting dark. Are you going to take a rest now? I can't believe Jerry's been practicing for the race all night. Jerry, you really should take a rest before you have an accident. Looks like you're going to need help getting out of that mud, Jerry. I wonder what Matt and Frank are up to. Hey guys, Jerry needs your help. He's stuck in the mud by the lake. You're right. He's due to be in the big race this afternoon, but I'm not sure he'll make it. Can you help? Great. He's really stuck, huh? Sounds like they're working on the racetrack nearby. Jerry will be lucky if he's out of the mud in time for the race. Have you had an idea, Matt? Of course. Tom the tow truck will be able to pull him out. He's helping at the racetrack. Let's go and see him. There's Tom. Let's hope Matt can persuade him to come and help Jerry. Where's Frank got to? Any luck with Tom? I think Frank might have another idea. Of course! The lake isn't far from the track. Maybe Charlie the crane can lift him out of the mud and bring him here. Great! Looks like Charlie will lend a hand. Hey, Jerry. Matt and Frank brought Charlie the crane to lift you out of the mud. Now, we need to get Jerry to the racetrack. There's still some time before the race starts. Let's get you cleaned up and ready. Great! Just your wheels to change. I wonder if Tom's free now. Oh, looks like Matt's already on the case. And this time, Tom can help. Time's running out. We need to get those wheels on quickly. Charlie to the rescue once again. Now let's get those tires on. Great! Just in time for the race. The race is on, and it looks like Jerry might just win. Maybe it was a good thing he got stuck in the mud, as it meant he had to take a rest. He's done it! He's won! Wow, you did it! And just a few hours ago, you were stuck in all that mud. And it's all thanks to these guys. What a great team effort! The Car Patrol. Hi, Susie. Where are you going? To see your friend Amber? Well, that sounds fun. Hey, look. Baby Tom and baby Jeremy are heading the same way. Hi, babies. Watch out! Susie, are you okay? You've fallen down a pothole. We'd better get someone to help you out. What's that, baby Tom? You want to call the Car Patrol? Good idea. Let's hurry. Hurry, babies. We can't leave Susie down there on her own. Guys, we have an emergency. Susie fell down a giant pothole in the road. Can you come right now and help her out? You can? Great. Let's go. Slow down, Matt. It's coming right up. Be careful. Don't worry, Susie. The Car Patrol is here to rescue you. What are we going to do first, guys? Hector's going to pull Susie out of the pothole? Okay, guys, that sounds like a good idea. Let's go. Are you ready to lift her up? Okay, Hector, let's do this. Looking good. What's wrong? You can't lift Susie any higher? No? Okay, Hector. Put Susie back down and we'll think of another way to rescue her. Shall we see what the problem is, Matt? Oh dear, it's too dark to see anything. Have you got an idea, Hector? What is it? You're going to use your search beam to light up the pothole? Good idea. Oh, I see. Susie's wheels are stuck. What are we going to do? Any ideas? You think Frank should use his water jet to wash off all that sticky mud? Okay, Matt, let's give it a go. Ready, Hector? Well done, guys. Awesome teamwork. Shall we make sure no other cars fall in?
Uh-huh.
Perfect. Are you ready to go see Amber now, Susie? Great job, Car Patrol. See you next time.
The Car Patrol.
Hello, Matt. Hello, Frank. Oh dear, there's a big queue of cars building up. You'd better come and calm everyone down, Matt. You'll soon be out of the traffic jam, everyone. Matt and Frank are going to go and see what's causing it. Careful, Frank. Hey, Flavy, you need to park as soon as you've crossed the railroad. Oh no! Oh no, here comes Troy the train. We can hear his bell. Stop, Troy! Stop! Flavy's load fell on the railroad. Thankfully, Matt managed to stop Troy before he crashed into the boxes. Matt has a suggestion. Maybe Troy can help Flavy with her delivery. Good point, Flavy. How will we get those boxes into the back of Troy's cargo train? Frank thinks he's seen someone who can help. That's lucky. Francis, the forklift, was amongst the traffic. One more to go. Are you ready to go and make your delivery with Troy, Flavie? Thanks for your help today, Francis. And well done to you guys, too. You did a great job. Time to get back to your break.